In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of a label in Gmail. This process is pretty straightforward, but having a clear guide can really help ensure that there are no hitches along the way. Whether you're organizing your emails more efficiently or simply want a new label name to reflect your changing categories, this step-by-step walkthrough will get you there. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and navigating to Gmail. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see the familiar interface with your inbox front and center. On the left-hand side of your screen, you should see a list of labels directly beneath the Compose button. Now, go ahead and scroll down if needed until you locate the label whose name you want to change. Next, hover your cursor over the label you intend to rename. You'll see 3 vertical dots appearing right next to the label name. This is your Label Options menu. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your label. Right from here, select Edit. Upon selecting Edit, a new window will pop up. Here you'll find the current name of your label in a text box. Simply click inside the box to activate it, allowing you to delete the existing name and type in your new desired label name. Remember, while choosing a name, be sure it reflects the purpose of the label as clearly as possible. Clear labeling is key to maintaining an organized and efficient email system. Once you've entered your new name, it's time to save the change. All you need to do is confirm the new label name by clicking on the Save button. After saving, you'll be taken back to the main Gmail interface. And just like that, your label will appear with its new name in the label list on the left panel. If you don't see the changes immediately, don't worry. Simply refresh your browser page and the updated label name should display correctly. For those looking to maintain a well-organized email account, it's good practice to regularly update label names as your needs change. A little maintenance like this goes a long way in ensuring you can find your emails quickly and efficiently when you need them. If at any point you wish to undo a change or rename a label again, you can simply follow the same steps. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to renaming your Gmail labels. Hopefully, this video has made the process straightforward and simple. Don't hesitate to refer back to it whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy labeling.